Rishikesh, mute.
Yeah.
The children, please on your cam, children. Children, please do that immediately.
Yes, ma'am, mine is on.
Sritan, I can see, and Rishikesh, very honestly, regularly he will do.
Ma'am, Rishikesh is keeping universe.
Yeah, mind was like universe. You should be always. What is universe, children? What is universe?
Ma'am, universe is something which is endless, ma'am.
Endless, right? Your thinking should be like that, children.
Ma'am, even in a
From your level, you always supposed
Ma'am,
to.
also I can keep our Chanakya tutorial background also, ma'am, like this.
planets will be, ma'am.
Okay, that's not an issue, children. Now we'll go with our just a minute, children. Very quickly, we'll go with our test part.
Okay, ma'am.
The scores, how my children are got any difficulties in particular questions. So we will see that.
Ma'am, but this time I got also. I'm very sad, ma'am.
Okay.
Because my friend did not got.
Good, Nana. Very good. And the Deepthi was there in the classroom. Deepthi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And the Sritan, all these are first, second, even Lohini too. And Daksh too. These 3, 4, and Ashwath Reddy. Congratulations, all of you. And my special appreciation to Rishikesh. He's an extraordinary student. Good. Keep it up. Good work, Rishikesh. And others too try to reach the top score, children.
Ma'am, sir, some will send fast now.
I want answer from Jain. Suhana was there. Suhana is there in the class.
Yes, ma'am, she's there, ma'am, I think.
Suhana, are you there, Nana? Jain, you was very good at classroom. Why you are scoring less marks, only 30 in the test? Jain,
Ma'am, I think I got confused in some questions.
why you are giving answers very accurately in the classroom? Very absolutely correct answers you are giving.
Yeah, ma'am.
What happened in the examination part?
Wait, ma'am.
And the
ma'am, I didn't understand some questions really well, so I did my best understanding it, ma'am.
We'll see that part too.
Ma'am, Suhana is there in the classroom.
Yeah, maybe.
Ma'am, now she left.
And I want, yes, Amat is there in the classroom? Amat?
No, ma'am.
Amat, Amat, you are giving answers in the classroom nicely. Why Amat in the scores was less? Any less?
Ma'am, I got confused in few questions.
Okay, right. I'll help you right now. See the part of the things where you are facing difficulties. Please rectify those. And Manish, Madhav. Ma'am, I was not able to hear you. Yes, Suhana. Suhana is not able to hear. Maybe please join once again, Nana. Exit and join once again.
Ma'am, who is room, ma'am? Someone.
Ma'am, if she cannot hear you, how can she exit, ma'am?
Yeah, that's why. That is, she just kept a message, ma'am, I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am, but she exited means she can hear you, ma'am.
Ma'am, you told exit and join. Then how can she hear that?
Yeah, ma'am.
Sometimes network or some issues will be. Please rejoin.
Ma'am, 3 are absent, ma'am. Pregnant, Javali, and Ruh.
Ma'am, who is Ruh, ma'am?
Yes, that's only. In our Vizag only, one this boy did not join only.
Yes, Manish Madhav is there in the classroom. Manish Madhav, are you there in the classroom?
He's there, ma'am. His cam is off and he's in mute.
Okay, Manish.
Yes, ma'am.
Good response. Manish, why your score was very less? Any difficulties in test?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I did not. I thought like the C option was the B option, like that. I thought.
Okay, please, if you have any difficulties, let me.
Okay.
Yeah, so that I can help you, children, because I'm worrying about the student who scores less than 30. I can, because Jain, Suhana, these Amat are responding in the classroom very nicely, but in the test, the scores less. Sometimes the students are not, that's why my worry. Okay.
Ma'am, but Zain scored 30, ma'am.
Yeah, Jain scores 30, but of course, where is the confusion part of my Amat, can I know your confusion of part of questions in your test?
Ma'am, like the 16th and the
1 minute,
17th
Amat. I
question.
will open that question paper so that you can please let me know. We'll
Okay,
very
ma'am.
quickly, in 10 to 15 minutes, we'll finish off that part of questioning difficulty level questions. Then we can start today's new chapter, children.
Ma'am, for me, 4th and 8th one went wrong. Ma'am, you told brackets and decimals, so basics also you give, but you did not give them, ma'am.
Not test, right? Okay. No,
Ma'am, I know all, ma'am, but why it
but
became
because
wrong, I don't
I
know.
did not anything. I did not review, right? That's why. Even basics also I did not touch. That's why I'm not doing because it's little bit. Yeah. You can see, children, which question, Nana, you have confusion here. Question number 4, Rishikesh.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Question
ma'am.
number
I
4,
also
ma'am.
have confusion in question number 4.
Yeah, ma'am. Question
Yeah,
number 4,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Even I got this
Really,
wrong, ma'am.
nice question, children, no, because you know this answer. Because obviously it is -1. You know this. But you are now, why you are not able to answer means 2m. 2m means what is that, children? Is it even number or odd number? 2m.
Even.
Even, ma'am.
Very good. Two
Ma'am,
sides.
even plus
Ah,
1,
Even.
ma'am.
even. If you
It
add
will be
to
odd,
that
ma'am.
even number, one more number means what happens?
Odd, ma'am.
Odd, ma'am.
So odd number of times will happen. What is the answer?
Minus
Okay,
1.
ma'am. It's -1.
Understood, children? This is the way of question. Sometimes
Ma'am,
you know that very well, the part of concept, but the way of questioning was little different.
Ma'am, for me, like that only 8th one happened, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am, I
Ma'am, I did
got
not
this
understand
correct,
it
ma'am.
nicely.
Kirti, you did correct this bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Nana. Keep it up. Good work. Because this is only the question. You know the
Ma'am,
concept.
it is also correct one, ma'am.
Very good. How you did, Sritan? Same way?
And last time you said told that yesterday, ma'am, that night odd like that.
Odd even. Okay.
That I remembered, ma'am.
So suppose Rishikesh, the question sometimes it was given like 3. No, 3 will always not be even or odd. Sometimes 3 multiples will be even also, right? 3, 6 times 18. 18 is even. 3 won't come. Only 2 multiples. 2 multiples are always even numbers. If you add 1 to that number, you will get
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it's odd.
odd.
Yes,
That's why
ma'am.
it is not. Yeah, that's a wonderful question, really good. And question number 8. What is question number 8, Dana? Yeah, here you see, Rishikesh. Question number 8, -16 divided by 4 you're supposed to do. According to our rule, division should be done first, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's a -4 you will get if you divide. So -8
Yes, ma'am.
minus of -4 becomes -8 plus 4. Minus
Yes,
6
ma'am.
plus 4 is?
Ma'am, it's -4.
Yeah, that's all, Rishikesh. That's all. Only the thing here you're supposed to use the operation. Which operation you? There are multiple operations means you can go with your mass demass.
Ma'am, I did like -8 minus of -16 will be -8 and divided by 4 is -2, ma'am.
That's I understood.
Same, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I did the same exact thing what Rishikesh did.
Okay.
First, I did 4 divided by minus this is equal to -4.
Okay.
-4 plus 4 is equal to was -2, ma'am. I just got confused.
Okay. Shall we discuss children the paper once because other students also can. Jane, Amat, any difficulties? Amat, other difficulties? Daksh, what
Ma'am,
is
the
the
7th question.
question number 7? Right now.
Ma'am?
Daksh, where is your 3 marks lost? 3 questions lost.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, after that I checked, ma'am, no difficulty. Ma'am,
Okay.
you know, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I go and drink some water?
Yes, Rishikesh, go on, please. Yes, Amat, please, question number 7, Amat has doubt here. -20 minus of -30. -20 minus of -30. Yeah, Amat, you see, Amat.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I have a doubt, ma'am. After this, I'll do.
Ma'am, ma'am, are you there?
Yes, I hear, my dear.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell the eighth one again?
Eighth question. Okay, Nana. What is the question number 8? Yes. So
Ma'am,
it's -8 minus of -16 divided by 4.
yes, ma'am.
This is the question, Daksh. This is 1 minute, Amat. I'm going with the question number 7 after this.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so -8 plus 16, ma'am. So,
First, this part should be done, my dear.
oh,
Ma'am, I did the first two parts. First, these two
Minus
parts and
16
then
by 4 is
divided
how
by
much,
4.
Nana? 4 ones are?
yes,
Fours, ma'am.
four.
Ma'am, 4 minus 4, ma'am.
So
Then the
once
answer.
again, please substitute -4, you will get. So this part minus
Plus,
8
plus will become plus, ma'am. And now we know, ma'am, minus and like signs
-4.
plus and minus, ma'am. So minus 4,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
understood, ma?
Yes,
Understood.
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Understood.
Ma'am, I have another one.
Deepti, please tell me.
Ma'am, we can use BODMAS method, ma'am, then it becomes easy.
Exactly.
We can first, we can open the brackets.
That's why, Deepti, we are always using if algebraic expression or the arithmetic expression, any expression is there. The expression means there are 2 or more operations in between. Which one you can do first? There is a confusion for my children. The young minds may difficult to do which one you're supposed to do. Then you can take your BODMAS. What is BODMAS rule, children?
Brackets of division,
Multiplication, addition.
ma'am, multiplication, addition, and subtraction.
Yes, division.
Ma'am, brackets of division, multiplication,
Addition and
addition and
subtraction.
And
subtraction.
this part also B means bracket. now.
Brackets of.
Bracket.
Brackets means multiplication.
Yeah.
Brackets open.
No, of also means multiplication.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, open, ma'am. Brackets open.
Yeah, bracket. Yes, yes, ma. This is bracket. Bracket should be solved first.
No, I'm telling after B, O is open, ma'am.
No, it's off. OF off.
Okay.
This is BODMAS rule. Please, you just be with the next part of the thing. Question number 7. You can note such a points in your somewhere that your theory, children, so that when you are recollecting the points also, it is easy to you.
Ma'am, can you do once 11th one
Sure, no.
after 7th one?
Let me complete the 7th one, then I'll go with the 11th.
Okay, ma'am.
7th one, -20. It's -20. It's negative of -30. So next one is -40, right? -40 and +10. -40 and +10. Yes, plus -40 and +10. Amat, you only tell Nana first. Amat, what we should do, Nana, in this case?
Ma'am, we should solve the brackets.
But not only bracket here, no, because it's negative number, that's why you used bracket. Now, first step, what you should do, wherever you are checking minus of minus, you just replace with minus of minus become
Plus.
plus 30.
-20 plus 30.
And this is plus into minus -40 plus 10. What are positive numbers here, Nana? What are negative numbers? You collect all negative numbers one side and all positive numbers other side, so that your calculation should be more easier. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
And now -20, -40, this is 30 plus 10 becomes +40. This both are cancelled. Why? Because both are
The same number.
opposite signs. Same numbers, opposite signs. That means additive inverse to each other. Additive
Yes, ma'am.
inverse. Additive inverse. Additive inverse of A is what, Nana? Minus A. Suppose,
Minus A.
if you combine A and minus A together, you will get additive identity.
Additive identity.
Yes. That's a more important concept. Please remember, children. Next, what is that? Your question is?
Ma'am, 11th.
11.
Ma'am, the question is
Huh.
this successor of -101 and predecessor of 101. No, -100. Ma'am, successor of -101.
-101 and minus
Predecessor of 101 normal.
normal 101. No, successor means immediately next number. Immediately next number to minus 101, what number?
100, ma'am, minus 100.
Minus 100. Predecessor means?
Ma'am, the number below, I mean,
Before number.
100.
101 before number is?
100.
100. This, since both are the same signs, you can add and keep the
Same, this
Hmm?
common.
Understood, Nana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Any other things, my dear children, please? Manish, Madhav,
Ma'am,
1 minute, it will come to you. I'll just call the student. Manish, Madhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Manish, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Manish, any other difficulties you have in this test?
No, ma'am.
You scored very less. That's why I'm asking. Amat, Suhana, are you able to hear me right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, because I have internet issue a lot today. Okay, right, Suhana. Suhana, any difficulties you are facing in this test?
yes, ma'am. I am having doubt in 17 questions.
Question number 17. Okay. Yeah, she is asking about question number 17. See, children.
It's very easy.
Of course, let it be. 36 plus minus 52. 36.
Ma'am, it's minus 16.
36 plus
minus 52.
50.
Minus 16.
Then?
Minus 16 minus of minus 36 we have to do.
Only 3 numbers only given, right?
Yeah, ma'am. It's minus of minus 36.
52 bracket close. This is under bracket. Minus of minus
36.
Right. Suhana, please, which one I should do first, Suhana? As I said, BODMAS rule. Which one I should do first?
Bracket.
Minus 52.
Bracket should be solved first. 36 and minus 52. Opposite signs you have to subtract.
Ma'am, it is minus 16.
It's minus subtract.
Minus 16.
1 6 minus 16. Very good. So this become okay. This become minus of minus become
Plus.
Plus.
yes,
Ma'am, then it should be normal. This positive 20, right, ma'am?
yeah, that's all. 36.
Ma'am, but I gave C positive 20. Ma'am, it's showing A negative 20.
No, it's positive 20.
Ma'am, but I gave C, ma'am. I checked.
1 minute. Let me see that. I will show that answer part. Don't worry. Question number, which question it is first?
Oh wait, ma'am, it's correct. I gave.
Option A is correct, Nana.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, any other doubt, Suhana?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Deepti.
ma'am, 12th one, ma'am.
12th one, Deepti. 1 minute.
No, ma'am, 12th one.
Okay, 1, 2, 12. Deepti, very good question asked. Deepti, this is also very simple, Deepti.
Yeah, ma'am, this is also very simple.
This is also BODMAS rule.
BODMAS rule.
Same
First division.
BODMAS rule, Deepti. Negative 65 divided with 13, you should do first.
When brackets is not there, means you have to go to division, ma'am.
Division first, Nana.
Ma'am?
Yes, Srita.
Ma'am, I think I got 13 wrong, ma'am.
1, 3, 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will help you. Just a minute, we'll discuss that.
Ma'am, it's very easy, ma'am. 13th one.
Ma'am,
I also
some
think
logic.
that easy. I clicked B on it. What is the answer? I don't know.
B.
Okay, Rishikesh, it's not an argument. We will go with that. Don't worry.
ma'am,
Yeah, 1 minute, I'm doing on screen. Yes, negative 65. Dipti, I'm doing 1 minute now.
yes,
Negative 65 divided by 13 multiplied with what number, Rishikesh?
Ma'am, multiplied with minus 5, ma'am.
Minus 5. First, you should do this part, Anna.
Division, BODMAS, ma'am.
So 13, 5.
Minus 5. Minus 5.
Minus 5 into
Into
minus
minus 5. Ma'am, 25, ma'am.
20. Yes, Dipti, hope you understood, Nana.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my mistake was 1 minute, ma'am. My mistake was I clicked A, ma'am. A option, which is 1, ma'am.
Okay, I think you thought
And
mention it is that.
then I checked.
Ma'am, I
ma'am,
think
then-
she did like
Ma'am,
30
can
into
you try
minus
30
5
into
is
1, ma'am?
30
Yes,
into
ma'am.
minus
Can you-
5 is minus 65 and next to minus 65
Divided,
will be minus
yeah,
65
exactly,
is
she
1.
divided. She's not using both nostrils. Sritan is having a doubt. Question number 13 will discuss that. Product of two numbers is 5 less than minus 49.
Ma'am, minus 49 minus 5, ma'am.
Less than minus 49 means
Ma'am, minus 49 minus 5.
it's nothing but.
Ma'am, it's minus 54.
So what is the product or only anything? What is the question is asking?
Ma'am, they asked product.
Okay. One of the number is 6.
6.
Find
Ma'am, 6 into minus 9, ma'am.
6 into?
Minus 9 is 6 into minus 9.
Yeah.
Ma'am, otherwise we can do minus 54 divided by 6, ma'am. We can get minus 9.
Yes, yes, very good. Good, Nana. Yes, here-
Ma'am, I think it differently, ma'am.
okay.
That's why
How
I
did you
clicked
think?
B1.
Okay,
B1.
okay. Here, Sritan, understand the word problem. The product of two numbers was given. Sorry, the product of two numbers was
Ma'am, they did not give bracket, na, ma'am. I forgot to add that minus also.
5 less than minus 49. 5 less than minus 40, obviously it's minus 54.
Ma'am, that one okay, ma'am. This is 6 into minus 9. This one only I did not do, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, any other doubts, children? Any other things?
Ma'am, you can move on, ma'am.
Yes, Sritan. Manish Madhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, Nana, in this test? Please let me know because this is basic chapter, children. If you are neglecting here,
Ma'am, can you go down, ma'am?
yes, I'll go down. Okay. This is the last one. I think 20 questions on there.
Only 20, ma'am.
Last one, Nana. 20.
Ma'am,
Not,
18.
ma'am, not that one, ma'am. That one is easy only, ma'am.
Ma'am, 18th one commutative property will come, ma'am.
18th one, yeah, commutative property. Very good. Wait, any
18th one is clearly, ma'am. They asked her which number is in the. They already gave in opposite side.
even property
Ma'am,
mentioned.
I think
Some-
Sritan
B
is
is
asking 15th one.
Okay.
Sritan is asking 15th one, ma'am.
Yeah, Ria says,
Yes, ma'am. This 15th one.
Ria says one thing and Sia says some other thing. Who is correct? That means you need to solve both, right? 34.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
A, Sia, ma'am.
No, here,
Ria is correct. Ria is correct.
Ria
Not
is-
Sia.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, Ria.
Because 34 minus of minus 74 will be 108 and 74 minus of minus 34 will be 108. But minus 34 minus of minus 74 will be
not the same.
minus 40 and minus 70 minus 74 plus 34 will be.
Very lovely question. Good question it is actually. You
Yes,
need
ma'am.
to think a lot here. Only the thing, if you know that the basic things, you can do easily. 34 minus.
Ma'am, I thought
Ma'am,
which
the
one is,
most time I took
clearly
for that
same, ma'am.
question only
Like
Ria is here.
commutative, ma'am, like commutative property is this there, na, ma'am. Like that, I think, ma'am, that one.
That is also fine. This, of course, this is nothing but very
Commutative,
minus of minus becomes plus. 34 plus.
How commutative
Ma'am,
can come?
because they gave equal to, ma'am, that's it.
That's all, Nana.
Because-
74 plus 34, both are same.
Ma'am, like that also Ria's one will also come correct, ma'am. How can he take
No,
Sia only? I can't understand.
No,
Commutative property, clearly it is a CS
he
only.
said the property was commutative, not here. After solving the question, after solving 34 minus of minus 74 is 34 plus 74. Right?
Yeah, ma'am.
74 plus 34. That's Sritan was telling that's a commutative.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, not before solving. Okay. Any other things, children? Shall we move to practice?
Yeah.
Ma'am, up, ma'am, up.
I'm filling something up, ma'am. Sritan.
For me, first only it will be wrong every time.
First one, huh?
No, not first one will be wrong. First onwards will come now. That will only for me be wrong.
Oh.
Ma'am, let's start with fractions and decimals.
Ma'am, that's only, ma'am. That only.
Okay. Yes, they will start with Manish. Can we start fractions, Manish?
Yes, ma'am.
Before going to question chapter, I want answers from Amat, Manish, and Jain should be very quick answers. Suhana, come on.
Okay, ma'am.
There are five questions to each child. They should answer very quickly.
Man, that means
Ma'am,
we will
can we
not
also
answer,
can ma'am, can we also answer?
You can.
I'm attending in my laptop now.
Yes.
Ma'am, please, can we also answer?
Man, can we tell in the chat box, ma'am?
Put in the chat. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Manish question. Manish
ma'am.
questions was -4 plus -3 plus 2. Question number 2 was question number 1 -15 multiplied with -2. Question number 3 is 70 divided by -5. Question number 4 is 60 divided by -10. 8 into 4. Other students, please put in the chat. Manish, please, what is the first one? Quickly, Manish, I don't want much time here.
Ma'am, it's -5.
It's -10. First question, your answer is -10. Second one,
Ma'am, it's -5.
first one, -5.
Yes, ma'am. You said minus.
Okay, -5. Then second one,
Ma'am, it's 30.
it's 30. Third one,
Ma'am, I'm still calculating. I just got the question now because it was glitched.
okay.
Ma'am, fourth one is at 61.
60.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's 15.
It's 15. Right, Anna, it's 15. Good.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am, it is not 50.
this one is -6.
Wait, we'll see. It's -6.
This one -32.
-32. Once, please, can you check this part? Good, Manish. Basics can do that.
Oh no, ma'am, it's 16.
It's not 16.
Divide once again 70 by 5. So that what is the answer?
Okay.
Next, Amat, please. From here,
Ma'am, it's -14, ma'am.
Amat, -150 divided by 10 minus of
Ma'am, it's very long. Ma'am, but still it's very easy sum.
Amat.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it's 14.
Wait, Jay, wait. Let her answer.
Ma'am, it's Manish, third one.
Okay. Third one, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, it's -14.
-14?
No, ma'am, +14.
Okay, right. Plus
Positive 14, ma'am.
both signs are
Ma'am, it looks like 114, ma'am.
Next question.
Yes,
Jane.
Ma'am, the next three are mine, ma'am.
Ma'am, Amat is not responding.
Amat, this is
Ma'am, the answer is -3.
answer is -3. 1 minute, Amat. Let me check. It's -15 plus 12. Very good, Amat. Very good. Correct. Good. Now you are right. That's why I'm telling the class. In your class, you are doing well. But in examination, why careless nature children?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I got
actually,
confused.
Ma'am, they're twisting questions, ma'am.
Not wasting. No. I'm giving.
ma'am, it was very easy, ma'am.
Some 1 or 2 questions was twisting.
Yeah, ma'am.
You need to test. Foundation classes means not easiest questions. We will go with some other different ways of questioning in how the different ways the question can be tested.
Yeah, ma'am.
Only concepts, if you are good, means you can do it.
Yes, ma'am.
80 of
If,
questions you can do.
ma'am, the example is that question only, ma'am. -54 and 6 and 9.
Okay.
That one is a good example, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we start this fractions?
Yes, we are going. Just this question is for whom I gave? Jane. Jane should answer this, then we will. This is Sohana. Once these all are answered, we will start the chapter. Minus.
Ma'am, if they don't answer, what happens, ma'am?
Then we won't start.
Ma'am, the answer is -109, ma'am.
Negative?
109.
109.
He said 119.
Ma'am, 109, ma'am. 109. 109.
Yeah, ma'am, because I divided these two first.
Yes, the
Nine.
Rishikesh, is it true? 109?
Yes, ma'am, it's minus 109 only.
Okay, this is negative 6 plus 6.
Ma'am, plus 6 and minus 115 will be.
Correct, correct.
109,
Very
ma'am.
good. Good, Jane. Good.
Ma'am, he did board
Ma'am, how
master
it will
rule
come
only.
plus 6, ma'am? Here minus 36 divided by 6.
Very good. Asked by Sritan. This is minus 6.
Yeah, ma'am.
Before also minus is there.
Yeah, ma'am. Minus of minus will be
Yeah.
plus, ma'am, there.
This is minus of
Minus of minus plus, ma'am.
Oh,
Plus
this
and
one.
now
Oh,
minus.
okay, ma'am, I understand.
And
Like-
this one what you are doing from this
Who is
list.
answering her question?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. She's not answering.
Oh, there, Sohana, please respond if you're there because she was network issue. She informed. Sohana, are you there? Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Sohana, are you there? Okay. Shall we move to the next class? Next, Deepthi, correct, Deepthi? Yeah, another student.
Ma'am, the answer is 0, ma'am.
Oh, answer was 0.
Yeah, ma'am. Positive and negative, ma'am. Both are
Arey.
same numbers. So -1 minus plus becomes that. So +1, which is equal to 0, ma'am.
Deepthi, check your
Yes,
answer.
ma'am, it is clearly 0.
Deepthi, check your answer, please.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, because
Positive
minus
one, ma'am.
11 divided by
Ma'am,
positive
many
11,
people
ma'am.
got
It is minus
Minus
1,
1, minus of minus plus. Yeah, ma'am, it's 0.
0.
0.
That's all, children. I'm not going much about this. We are going.
Yeah, ma'am. Or else we're going to waste
Ma'am.
our 1 hour on this.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you give the quiz, ma'am?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
Yes,
First do
ma'am.
fractions and decimals, ma'am, and then in the last 10 minutes give us
Yes.
fractions
No,
and
last
decimals.
20 minutes.
Quiz.
No, to now I will need to start fractions.
Ma'am, you told you'll take till 8:10, ma'am.
Yeah. Last 10 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Last 10 minutes you keep this.
Now-
Ma'am, you can keep quiz, ma'am.
Now I want answers from my students. Daksh, please. What is fraction? Daksh, what is fraction? You are learning from.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, fraction is a part of whole.
simple, ma'am. It's fraction is a part of
Fraction is
whole.
a part of whole.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. It is.
Ma'am, last class, ma'am.
Yes, Madipti.
Ma'am, last class it was heavily raining, ma'am. So I had to leave, ma'am. So can you tell what you did, ma'am?
It's the same thing, Mana. Basics only. We are continuously the questions. How we are getting like a test questions. Those type of questions only we discussed, Mana.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, did you tell about word problems, ma'am?
Word problems also we discussed. Some elevator questions were discussed. If you have any doubt, please call me your free time. Tomorrow was away. I was not available because tomorrow class 10 board exam, science exam was there, 10th class, CBSE board exam. So
Ma'am, you can teach science also.
no children, examination, invigilation duties was there.
Okay.
So,
Ma'am, that means it is Zoom class or offline, ma'am?
no children, it is online, not online, offline examination is going on for the 10th board exam. If you have
Okay.
a student in your 10th class student in your home, you can understand. Tomorrow they have science exam. Yeah. Okay, after 1:30 you can call children if you have any doubt.
Okay, ma'am.
What is fraction? Fraction is a part of whole.
Whole number, ma'am.
Fraction is a part of whole. So suppose how
Whole, ma'am. Ma'am, for example, there's a pie and it's distributed into 5 pieces.
7 parts.
Yes.
7 parts, and ma'am, you eat one, ma'am, is going to, so you can say
Be 1 by 7.
the number of
1 by
students
7.
number of students in our foundation class. How many students?
Ma'am, there are
Ma'am, there are 13, ma'am.
Ma'am, there are 13.
13.
13 and today
Ma'am, out of them, how many are boys?
Number of girl students.
girl students,
Ma'am, girls, we don't know.
We don't.
See, children.
Better look at the names.
No, there are names you can see and let me know.
Ma'am, one you, ma'am. Two.
Ma'am, how to check the names, ma'am?
Rohini,
Ma'am, there are 4 girls.
Pragya, 4, including Suhana, Amat, we all 4, right? Amat, Suhana, Deepthi, myself,
And you.
4. And if
Yeah, ma'am.
4
And
was,
the boys is, and ma'am.
9
the
members.
boys are 9
members.
what is
Yeah, ma'am.
What
Ma'am, the
is
fraction is 4 by 9, ma'am.
yeah,
For
fraction.
girls.
Boys,
For boys is 9 by 13.
Of girls and boys in foundation is 4 by 9.
no, fraction of
The
boys,
fraction of boys is 9 by 13 and
And
fractions
fraction
of
of girls is 4 by 30.
4 by 13.
girls
Yeah.
is 4 by 30. Very good. What is fraction of
Boys and girls.
There is no, there is one.
Ma'am, the fraction of boys and girls is 13.
It's 1.
Yeah, ma'am, which is 1 whole.
this is the fraction means we can it's now types of fractions. These are what type of fractions?
Ma'am, this is regular fractions, and for example 13 by 9 is an irregular.
What are
Proper
different
fraction,
types of fractions?
improper fraction, and mixed fraction.
What are
Mixed fraction,
Regular
proper
Improper
fraction is where the
improper fraction.
denominator is smaller than the numerator, and the improper fraction is where the numerator is bigger than the denominator, and mixed fraction is when there's a whole number to the side and it's a proper fraction.
Ma'am, and like
And a mixed fraction can be converted into an improper fraction, like and unlike.
And there is equivalent fractions.
Okay, there is equivalent fractions.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am, like 9 by 13, 9 by 13.
So, you
Yeah,
know,
yeah, ma'am.
9 by 18, 9 by
someone
18.
And by
said
18.
Someone said Sritan said mixed numbers also we can.
Mixed fractions, ma'am.
Yes, next mixed fractions or mixed numbers, both are same. Any other?
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
Any other? I want proper, what are improper? First time calling one by one.
Ma'am, proper can I say, ma'am?
No.
Ma'am, can I say proper? Ma'am, can I say proper?
Rishikesh, wait, I will give you some other question to you. And I want Manish should answer the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Proper fractions. Can you give one example, 1 or 2 examples of for proper fractions?
Yes, ma'am. Proper fraction is numerator is smaller than denominator.
Less than denominator. Good. Okay. Next, can you give
The examples are 4 by 11, 7 by 13,
7 by 15. Okay, very good, Nana.
Ma'am, can I say one, ma'am?
Next,
Can I say the
next
improper
Amat
fraction?
will give improper fractions examples. Amat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Improper fraction. What are improper fractions? How he said just now, Manish said very good. Numerator, ma'am, less than denominator. So the numerator is small, denominator is big. Such fractions we call it as.
ma'am, the improper fractions is just this reverse of proper fraction.
Let her, Amat should answer. What is this? Yes, Daksh also gave one clue.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, numerator is greater than.
Can I?
Ma'am, 11 by 4 and 15 by 7.
Very wise person.
Yeah, ma'am, not creating his own, just using the whole.
Very wise person, Daksh.
Ma'am, can I say the like and unlike
The
fraction?
next one, no, 1 minute. Next one is.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, ma'am, can I say, ma'am, Zen?
No,
Can I say?
wait.
Ma'am, can I say Zen?
Ma'am, can I?
Deepthi, like.
Ma'am, why are you choosing
Ma'am,
boys
the
and
denominators are same, ma'am.
Very good. Denominators are same. Can you give some examples, Deepthi?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like 8 by 10, then 7 by 10.
Okay.
6 by 10.
And goes on,
15
goes
by
on,
10.
goes
Is
on.
it 15 by 10 also? Yes.
It doesn't go on Zane, it's only till 10. It goes on
Yeah.
till
10, ma'am.
Unlike,
Unlike, ma'am,
Jane should answer unlike.
yeah, ma'am, unlike where the numerator and denominator are not the same, like
Not
2
same.
by
Very
7,
good. Both
7
are
by
not
2.
same. Numerator are not same and denominator. Can you please give few examples?
Ma'am, 2 by 7, 7 by 2.
Yes, 2 by 7, 7 by 2, 7 by 4.
1, yes, ma'am, and goes on and goes on. You
Okay,
can create
okay. Next
infinite
one,
unlike.
I want my Rishikesh, please.
This one.
Equivalent fractions, Rishikesh.
I mean, equivalent fractions means.
I want some more part from you, Rishikesh. How you
Ma'am?
will get equivalent fractions?
Ma'am means, ma'am, I can't
1 minute.
understand you, ma'am.
1 minute, Nana. I will write little down so that everyone can.
Okay, ma'am.
Equivalent fractions. What is spelling for equivalent fractions?
Ma'am,
EQUIVALENT.
EQUIVALENT.
BALENT.
Most of the students they make a mistake in writing.
Ma'am, equivalent fractions means when we multiply or divide any one fraction with any number, we get the same value of fraction, ma'am. Ma'am, like 3 by 6, if we multiply with 3, 3 3s are 9 and
I'm
6
like
3s are
3 by
18.
6 and 6
And again, 9 by 18 divided by 3, if we do means we'll get 3 by 6 like that, ma'am.
Very good. But what is definition? Exact definition I'm expecting from you.
Ma'am, the fractions whose values are equal but the numbers are different.
Values should be same. Left side as well as right side. Very good, Nana. Very good. Left hand side part should be equal to right hand.
LH is equal to
The
RH.
value of left side should be same as the value
Yeah,
of.
ma'am, can I give one example?
Yeah, please. How you will get equivalent?
Ma'am, can I? Manish.
Ma'am, 1 by 2,
Manish.
2 by 6,
How
3
you will get?
Ma'am, 1 by 2, 2 by 4,
1 by 2, 2 by 4. Very good. Very good. Come on.
2 by 4, 3 by 6,
ma'am,
3 by
4
3 by 6,
8,
4 by 8, 4 by 8,
6 by 12,
Getting all these.
5 by 10.
by 14.
Ma'am, even 5 by 10.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
there is like
Ma'am,
one
5 by
nice
10.
example, ma'am. There is 3 by 9.
Yeah, ma'am. 3 by 9 like that.
Yes, multiply.
Ma'am, even 5 by 10.
Ma'am, 100 by 200,
3 by 9,
1000 by
1 by 3
2000.
and this.
Ma'am,
X by
100 by 200, 1000 by 2000.
Ma'am,
Equivalent.
1000 by,
Good.
ma'am, 1000 by 2000.
Yes, good.
Ma'am, 10,000 by 20,000.
I don't go to 10,000, 20,000.
Ma'am, one day we'll do infinity by
1 lakh by 2 lakh will still be equal to
Ma'am,
1.
infinite by infinite.
Jane, I understood. Wait. Let me teach some points. Equivalent
mixed
fractions
fractions
plays a
have a
very
whole
important
number, ma'am,
role.
and a
Not
fraction
only here,
divided.
when you are going to operations on like addition and subtraction, plays a very vital role about these fractions, whatever equivalent fractions. Suppose my fractions were 2 by 3 and another fraction were 4 by 5. These two are unlike, by looking these denominators are not same here. These are unlike.
Yeah, ma'am, but if you make it to the lowest stage, it will be 1 by 2.
I should make as a like fractions means equivalent fractions plays a very important. Like
Yes, ma'am.
making into equivalent like fractions means you are making them as a like. Suppose 5 4s are 5 3s are 15 here. So you are multiplying with first fraction with 5 and the second fraction with a 3. So what you are doing, what changes you are doing? You are writing equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
It's you are simply writing. 4 by 5 equivalent fraction is nothing but 12 by 15.
Yes, ma'am.
These two are equivalent fractions of these two. If
Yeah, ma'am.
raising equivalent fractions, we can add these two because you are making them as
Ma'am, whose values are same but the numbers are different.
Yeah, exactly. That's why we know the definition of equivalent fraction. You said the first only, ma'am, the values of LHS part and RHS part should be same.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. we are not doing anything new. Why we should do? Why we should find LCM, ma'am? Why? Well, that's nothing but no need of the thinking more. We are writing equivalent fraction to that.
Okay,
That's all.
ma'am, on to next Sunday, coming Sunday says, ma'am, we'll have basics of fraction and fractions, right?
Next, my students are given mixed numbers. How I am going to get
Ma'am, mixed fractions are fractions that have a whole number.
Yes.
Ma'am, the combination of a improper
A fraction
ma'am,
and
a
a whole
combination
number.
of
A proper fraction and a
Ma'am.
whole number.
Mixed fraction is a whole part will be appear and a fractional form. Which fractional?
yeah, ma'am.
Which fractional form here? Whole part plus it's a proper fraction, Mama.
Yes,
Proper fraction.
This is more.
Ma'am, the combination of a whole fraction and a proper fraction, ma'am.
Very good. Combination
Yes,
of whole number and can I give 2 1 by 4?
Yes, ma'am.
7
Yes, ma'am.
5 by 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Now my question is it which of the following are proper fractions you supposed to tell? So 8, 11 by 9. In the
No, ma'am.
there are 3. Is this 3 are mixed number?
Ma'am, this third one is not, ma'am.
Why that? Why that?
Ma'am, because ma'am, this numerator is greater than this denominator, ma'am. You can change it.
This is always should be proper fraction. It should be proper, but is it a proper?
No, ma'am.
It's an improper. That's why it's not a mixed number.
Ma'am, it should be like
It should be always, you suppose that part you should be just add up 11 by 9 can be written as 1, 2 by 9. So this whole part you can add up to this 9, 2 by 9. Is
Yeah, ma'am.
This you can mention. Yeah, that's most important. Then you forget one more type of fraction. What is that?
Ma'am, unit fraction means
Very good.
the denominator is one.
Ma'am, unit fraction is, ma'am, numerator will be 1, ma'am, not denominator.
Very good. Unit fraction.
Ma'am,
Numerator.
denominator
1 by
will
2,
be 1.
1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 1 crore, 1 by 100 crore.
I don't go till 1 crore, no need.
Okay.
1 by infinity.
Ma'am, but
Yeah, infinity can also work.
Numerator should be equal to
Why
1.
not?
Such a fractions we call it as
Ma'am, numerator. Numerator should be 1. Ma'am, only one piece.
little basic things, children. How to convert like improper to proper, improper
Ma'am, improper to proper.
Ma'am, improper to,
conversion of
Ma'am, you can multiply the
Yeah, ma'am,
whole number and
ma'am,
the
you have to
denominator and then
multiply,
add the
ma'am.
numerator, ma'am.
ma'am, mixed fraction to improper fraction means we have to multiply the
Ma'am, give us
numerator and
question.
add the denominator. Ma'am, 3 2 by 5 means 3 into
Ma'am,
5,
5
15
into
plus 2, 17 by
Ma'am,
5.
17 by
Ma'am,
5.
17 by 5.
right. So here you are multiplying denominator with the whole part plus adding numerator.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 17 by 5, ma'am, not 15.
Okay, 17
Yes,
by
ma'am.
next 11 by 2.
Ma'am, can you give us quiz? Ma'am,
Yeah,
please,
yeah.
ma'am.
Ma'am, 57 by 5.
57 by 5.
57 by 5. Now,
Ma'am, can you give us quiz?
yeah, improper to mixed. How you should do?
Ma'am, like,
That also is.
ma'am, we have to divide. Ma'am, we have to divide the denominator with numerator, ma'am.
So suppose
Ma'am, and ma'am, whatever the
Ma'am, 17 divided by 5, ma'am.
ma'am,
Ma'am, the answer will be,
ma'am,
ma'am,
yes,
5,
ma'am.
ma'am, 5 3
Ma'am, it's going to
15 and
Ma'am, 3 2 by 5.
Ma'am, 3 2 by 5, ma'am, like that.
5, ma'am.
Ma'am, question into remainder by divisor. Ma'am, question
ma'am.
into remainder by divisor.
Yes, ma'am.
into remainder by divisor.
Divisor.
Yes. 3 2 by 5. Very good. This is the basic things, children. I'm going little fast.
Ma'am, can you give quiz on this?
Ma'am, quiz, ma'am, please, ma'am.
Sure,
Ma'am, please
So
give us a
simple, ma'am.
quiz.
sure, children. Sure, I'm sharing quiz link.
10
One
minutes are there.
Stop sharing.
Ma'am, please
Okay, I'm giving.
show
I'm
your
Ma'am, give
screen,
a-
ma'am.
Give a